Assalamualaikum sir. This is my project which is basically parking sensor. I have used Arduino UNO, a buzzer, an LED light and an ultrasonic range sensor to make this parking sensor, and I have uploaded this code with its logic which would run the parking sensor, and I have set that initiating distance of this buzzer and this LED to 20 centimeter. Now let's observe for the purpose of understanding. Let's imagine this is a car. So you can clearly see as I bring the ruler, it starts beeping, and as the ruler gets nearer to the sensor, it started increasing the frequency of the buzzer and the LED as well.